Black cumin seeds have been used for medicinal properties in the Middle East for thousands of years, and it's not hard to see why it's gaining popularity in the West as well. With the scientific name Nigella Sativa, these seeds are extracted directly from the black cumin flower and have a peppery taste with a hint of onion and oregano. There are literally hundreds of scientific studies that show how great the oil extracted from the black cumin seeds can be for your health. Their innumerable medicinal properties are attributed to their active compounds, such as thymoquinone. Many people believe that this oil can cure several health problems, from allergies to high blood pressure. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 of the benefits of black cumin seed oil, which will make you want to start including a teaspoon of it into your daily routine. Prevents diabetes. Black cumin seed oil can reduce your blood sugar levels and increase the sensitivity in your liver cells to insulin, which helps prevent diabetes. Aids weight loss. You might not have been expecting this benefit, but black cumin seed oil is one of the best natural remedies for weight loss. It is believed that its anti-obesity properties are due to the same mechanism that makes it so effective against diabetes. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, it improves your blood sugar levels, and it reduces your appetite. Prevents cancer. Several studies have shown that black cumin seed oil is great at fighting different types of cancer, such as colon cancer, lung cancer, and brain cancer. The thymoquinone compound has proven itself to be effective at reducing tumors. It has even been compared to the drugs used in chemotherapy. Furthermore, this oil is a way to naturally protect yourself from the dangers of radiation when used with other conventional treatments. Treats allergies and asthma. Black cumin seed oil has antihistamine action and is great at treating allergies. If you suffer from asthma, these same properties found in the oil can be even more effective than conventional treatments. Increases immunity. Since it's rich in antioxidants, nutrients, and complex vitamins, black cumin seed oil helps greatly improve your immune system. This oil is especially beneficial for people with autoimmune diseases. Fights infection. Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria, Staph, and MRSA. These bacteria have something in common and are known to be able to cause infections with serious consequences. MRSA in particular is a strain of bacteria that is difficult to treat with conventional medications. To make matters worse, staph infections are becoming more and more difficult to treat since the bacteria is becoming immune to antibiotics. The good news is that black cumin seed oil can eliminate these bacteria. Treats hair. Did you know that black cumin seed oil was first used more than 2,000 years ago? Queen Cleopatra used this oil in her lovely long hair. The oil is great at strengthening your hair and promoting new strand growth. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, black cumin seed oil can relieve certain scalp problems, such as dandruff. Improves digestion. Known as the father of medicine, Hippocrates already used black cumin oil to treat digestive problems. Black cumin seeds are considered carminative, which means they aid in digestion, reducing swelling, heartburn, stomach pains, and flatulence. For those who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, black cumin seed oil is also a great ally because of its antispasmodic action, which relieves pain and cramps. Skin care. Cleopatra was also famous for her beautiful skin, and perhaps black cumin seed oil is the secret to that. This oil promotes the inhibition of melanin, contributing to the healing and prevention of blemishes and scars on the skin. Studies have shown the effectiveness of the oil in treating eczema, in addition to bringing relief to irritated skin. Thanks to the numerous antibacterial and strengthening properties of the immune system, these powerful seeds also treat psoriasis and acne. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.